Welcome to our beautiful Shala. This is our plant corner and our practice space. This is where we learn. This is where we experience. The blocks, the straps, and the bolsters are used in our morning Hatha Yoga practice, which focuses on alignment. Here's our chart for Ashtanga primary series practice, which happens every afternoon. And this is our small anatomy props section with our skeleton, the knee joint, and the shoulder girdle. And here we enter our great props corner, where during the practice of Karma Yoga, one student a day makes sure that all the props are kept nicely. And this is the teacher's spot with some more plants. And here's our sacred place, our shrine of Adiyogi Lord Shiva and Om. And this is our beautiful green space outside the Shala. Join us for the practice.